Hello! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Leon's World, SL. Narito naman po tayo for another episode dito sa aking YouTube channel. At andito tayo sa aking garden, sa aming garden. This is simple lang pero ito lang kasi ang one of my hobby na pwede kong gawin dito sa loob ng bahay. Of course, retired na kasi ako. Kaya I just make use of my time to something, make use of it to something productive. At the end of the day, I have something I accomplished. So, eto, medyo sa ngayon, everything seems fine. Kasi nga, it's summer here in California, Los Angeles. Kaya medyo mainit, medyo tuyo ang mga dahon. Kaya I make sure that they are watered properly. Itong pantry na to medyo lumalaki na. So maybe in about 2 years time, puputulin ko na ulit ito. And I have a new one here. So ito naman ang palalaking ko. I have another one here. So eventually, yan ang papalit dun sa puputulin kong palm tree. So it's good to have palm trees at the backyard kasi ang kagandahan dito other than the plants, it's easy to maintain. Yung mga trees, um, pagka naglaglagan na yung mga dahon, wala ka nang gagawin kundi mag-imis, mag-ayos, magligpit ng mga dahon. But this one, okay lang. Pag medyo tuyo na siya, una siya na siyang matatanggal, just like that one, no? Eventually, tatanggalin ko na rin yan. At tapos, maganda. I like the palm trees. Of course, we have the pine trees here. Maganda rin. And that one at the corner. At ito naman, ito yung aking greenhouse. It used to be white kasi nag-fade na siya. So, but I want to have something different, to make it something different. So, I chose this color. It seems good. So, para magkaroon siya ng accent. So, white and then the reddish color and then green. So, kasi nga summer ngayon, ito nilagyan ko ng tolda. Kaya kasi mainit. Kaya, yon, sige, pasyal ko kayo dito. So, we have here the plumera o sa Maya, ang tawag dito kalachuchi. Yan, kalachuchi because it's during it comes out during summer, spring and summer. Maganda. So, kasi nga limited yung space ko, ayokong masira yung bakod namin. So, that's why itong kalachuchi na to, I put it in a big pot so that uh, it will slow down growing up and it will protect our concrete wall. Another palm trees here. Of course, meron tayong papaya dito. O, tanyo ang aking papaya. Pero mabagal ang papaya dito kasi this is California. The season is dry. Humidity is very low. Unlike the Philippines in tropical areas, mataas ang humidity so mabilis ang pag-grow ng mga halaman. So, ayan. So, that's our papaya. And of course, ang grapes namin. So, remember I was telling you, I'm making a red wine out of the grapes I raised here at my backyard. So, ayun. Ang gaganda, oh. Yan, pumupula na siya. By September or October, ready na siya. Pwede na gawing wine again. So, very healthy naman siya ngayon. And this year, hindi muna ako nagtanim ng kamates kasi there's not much space anymore. Yeah, it's good to do some gardening Especially pag ganitong retired ka na, you have a lot of time. So, ay, ay, ay. Ganyan ang buhay retired. Oh, ayan. As I've told you, yan, I'm making wines out of these grapes that I have here at the backyard. Um, Ilang bote kayang wine na magagawa ko dito? Nakakatuwa talaga ang grapes na to. Mhm. Wow. Ito naman yung huli. Siguro, maybe, pag sa Philippines mo tinanim to, mukhang all year round ang grapes na to. Kasi here in California, the weather is different. So, it's only during summer that I can harvest grapes. And it seems that merong mga pahulihin. So, kung sa Pilipinas, wala namang winter, walang fall. So, it seems like you can harvest this. If you planted this in the Philippines, you might harvest this. You can have your grapes all year round. Wow, ito naman ang aking orange. Green pa lang siya. So, by December, yellow na lahat siya. It's good. Mas maganda ngayon kasi marami siyang bunga. But for the last 2 years, nako, marami lang bumulaklak pero 10 lang yung nabuo. Hopefully, lahat maging maayos siya. There's my bird's cage. My birds has their own freedom already. So, lumipad na sila. They are very happily everywhere. Here's another set of grapes. Yan. Yan, may bunga na rin siya, oh. Wow. Well, those are it for today. My gardens, my oranges, my palm trees, and my papaya. So I hope you enjoy my garden, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Leon's World as well.